Today we learn good habits and learn easy sentences. Early to rise, early to bed. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath every day. Trim your nails. Always eat healthy food. Do not eat junk food. Don't messy your room. Always clean your room. Do your work on time. Go to school on time. Always respect your teacher. Show love and respect for your parents. Always do help others. Respect your grandparents. Do not hurt anyone's feelings. Show love for animals. Always do care for disabled people. Don't shout on anyone. Talk with politely. Pray namaz every day. Make dua for everyone.
Welcome to Kids Education channel. Do like and subscribe my channel.